Good morning, class 10. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation I have already solved, explained how many methods, what are the process, what is the procedure to get your result. Today I will concentrate on quadratic formula method. That is, although everything is important, but this is more important, quadratic formula. How can you find the roots? How can you solve? How can you find the values of variable by quadratic formula? In front of you there are two questions. You have to find the roots by using quadratic formula. In the examination, if no method is mentioned in the question paper, you have only given to solve the equation or find the roots. This means you are free to use any method. And if method is mentioned in the question, so you should try to follow the instruction given in the question. Suppose question is find the roots of 2x squared plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 0 by quadratic formula. So you have to solve by this formula. But if it is mentioned, find the roots, no method is mentioned, so there is no any restrictions, or you can say you are free to use any method by factorization, or by completing a square, or by quadratic formula. But now, as I told you, we have to concentrate today on quadratic formula. Now you see, if you compare with the standard form, so this is in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And so on comparing, you can find what are the values of a, b and c in this given question. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to minus 12. Now you see, some students solve by finding first of all discriminant. If you find discriminant, so there will be clear you have the roots. But if it is given to find the roots, iska matlab it is understood, there should be roots. First you find discriminant b squared minus 4ac. So by finding this, it will be confirmed that equations have real root or not. So b 5 squared minus 4 into 2 into minus 12. So this will be 25 and minus 1 is plus 4 to the 8, 12 to the 96. So 6, 5, 8, 11, 9 to 11 and 12. So this is greater than 0, the roots are real. But as I told you, if in the question is given find the roots, so no need to find this. और यदि निकाल ही लिए हैं, तो you can use the formula this minus b plus minus. This is the discriminant which remains inside the square root. So this is d upon 2a. This will be minus b minus 5 plus minus 121 upon 2 into 2, 4. So now minus 5 plus minus 11 upon 4. And two roots you will get on taking positive sign. Minus 5 plus 11 by 4. This will be 6 by 4. This means 3 by 2. And if you take negative 11, so you will get like this, minus 16 by 4, this will be minus 4. So these are the two roots, these are the values of the variable x. So that's all, this is in the quadratic formula. So what did you observe in this solution? First of all, you can find d or, but this step is necessary where it is in the question. whether these roots are these equations are have a real root or not. And that type of question, so you have to first of all find the d. And without finding the d, you can solve here because it is already given. Find the roots. इसका मतलब roots इसमें है. Now you see the second. So second you see this is the question, and the questions relating to the root is also important. Now you see, now a is equal to here. Now using the quadratic formula, so a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 5 root 3, c is equal to 4 root 3. Now you see x is equal to formula minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2. Now minus b means minus 5 root 3 plus minus b square 5 root 3 whole square minus 4 into root 3a and 2c 4 root 3 upon 2a, yani 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 1. You simplify, this will be 75 and this will be minus 4 for the 16 3 48 and this will be 2 root 3. Put 75 minus 48, 26. 26. Now you see here minus 5 5 is 25, 3 is 75, 4 for the 4ac, 4ac, 4 for the 16 is 48. So this will be 2 root 3. So ये हो जाएगा कितना 5 5 is 25, 3 is 75. This will be 26. No, 27. 27. So this will be minus 5 root 3 plus minus. This will be 27. And this will be 2 root 3. So this will be minus 5 root 3. And this will be 3 root 3. If you simplify, this will be 3 root 3 upon 2 root 3. On taking positive, minus 5 root 3, positive 3 root 3, and this will be 2 root 3. So minus plus minus, taking root 3 common, minus 2 root 3 upon 2 root 3. This will be cancelled, minus 1. And if you take negative, minus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 upon 2 root 3. Minus 5 and minus 3 minus 8 root 3 upon 2 root 3. This will be cancelled, this will be minus 4. So roots are minus 4, minus 1. So now you see, so this is the quadratic formula method. Now if you find the value, if you solve by factorization or by computing a square, you will get the same solution. So I would like to check it. We check करना चाहें तो on putting the value we can check x is equal to minus 4. So this will be 16 root 3 and this will be x and this will be 5 root 3 x. X is equal to minus 4 and this will be plus 4 root 3. So 16 root 3 and this will be minus plus 20 root 3 plus 4 root 3. Minus 4, so this will be minus. This will be minus. So this will be minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0. Yes. And similarly on putting minus 1 you can check. Or if method is mentioned, you will use that method, and if you solve by another method, you will be awarded the marks. So you should remember in this quadratic formula. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.